Hello and welcome to the presentation of Glashuset. Glashuset, or the Glass House, has been made for the 4th and 5th semester Living Inside Out elective over a 6-week period. The project had certain boundaries that we fulfilled. In this course we renovated an existing building. As a boundary we needed to incorporate a glass atrium. Then we encapsulated the new part of the building in a U-glass facade system in 3 stories. The final project contains a restaurant on the top floor with a green roof terrace, and below that we have made space for a vertical farm on the 3rd floor that would supply the building with greens on a system that reuses rainwater collected by the roof and the green roof. The 1st and 2nd floor is made as a study space, ensuring students of the neighboring school a quiet setting for studying. The ground floor contains shops and a cafe that is an addition to the study space.
The Gullbergsgade is a lively street in vibrant Norrbo. Lined by different amenities like shop, restaurant and a bar, it is a nice place to relax and linger. Since it's not a through street, there are no cars, which makes the street very bike and pedestrian friendly. An issue could be the fact that water drains very poorly during rain events, which can cause a flooded street. To make the street more climate adaptive, 2 water basins were added. These will be multifunctional, so when they're dry, they function as places to relax, play and enjoy life. And when it rains, they will catch the excess rainwater and let it infiltrate the ground slowly without flooding the streets.
This is the existing building. We renovated it and made some changes in the interior to create more space and flexibility. Also, we enhanced the building structure by integrating a column and beam system so that it's capable of carrying the new part. The added space is open and full of natural light, thanks to the translucent channel glass facade. Diverse functions are accommodated over several floors, and together they form the Glashuset.
From the plan of the 2nd floor, we can see the new study spaces, provided of quiet rooms, a big open terrace and an open space, where all the study tables are placed. In the middle of the area there are the stairs that go all the way to the upper roof terrace. The 4th floor is divided into 3 main areas: the kitchens, the big atrium where the restaurant takes place, and the roof terrace. The ceiling is made of glass and allows a large amount of light to get inside the building.
We are using the existing walls in the building for our project. The structural system is made of column and beam system made of glue laminated wood. The floor is connected to the beams and is made of CLT deck sand layer to reduce tapping noise, rigid insulation, screed and a wooden floor.
So, for the parapet key junction we chose to have a brick wall on both sides of the parapet since the space is used as a terrace. The damp-proof course has been let inside the construction but is still isolating the insulation from water entering. The CLC deck is mounted on a cross steel profile that enters the wooden deck and is bolted on both elements. The parapet is placed on a cellular glass insulation foam that is strong enough to hold the parapet.
The eye-catching element of the building is the facade. The translucent channel glass panels are captured at the head and sill only and are fixed to the timber structure by steel angles. A translucent acrylic tube insulation improves the thermal performance.
This detail shows the junction between the wooden frame structure and the glazed roof. The stucco curtain walls frame is connected directly to the columns and beams. We decided to adopt this solution to provide a flat surface in order to let the water slide into the gutter. The gutter brings the rainwater to pipes, then to a water tank placed on the 3rd floor technical room.
At the terrace, the facade also functions as the railing. Steel elements capture the glass panels at the top to prevent them from tilting over.
Because of the placement of the columns in the building, we had to mount the curtain wall on the outside of the brick wall. This is done by using steel angles and self-tapping brick anchors. The brick wall has no insulation in the original construction, so therefore we had to add 100 mm of insulation.